Hey everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by and spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. If you're new and you were sent over this past weekend from somebody else's channel, thank you. I totally appreciate your support and I know you're gonna love it here. I love having you here, so thank you. Today I am sharing I think it's my first box of April. Are you surprised? Because it's like mid-April, right? And you know I love my Stitch Fix boxes, so I'm sharing my first April Stitch Fix box with you. So if you don't know about Stitch Fix, I will leave some more information below with a link if you'd like to try it for yourself or just learn more about it. But really quickly, Stitch Fix is an online styling service where you fill out a style profile, and then based on your profile, a stylist will curate a box for you. And then your box gets shipped to your house. You have 3 days to try everything on in the comfort of your own home, see what works, see what you like, what fits, what doesn't fit. Anything that you're not keeping goes in a prepaid mailer that they send to you, so postage is free both ways, so it's really, really nice. You either pay a $20 styling fee, and that does get credited to anything that you keep in your box. A lot of people, including myself, have a style pass where you pay $49 for the year. That does have to get offered to you, or I think you might be able to ask for it, I'm not positive. And that also gets credited to the first box or the first pieces of clothing that you keep after that. It's not just clothing though, you can get shoes, you can get jewelry, so those types of things are available if you would like to receive those items as well. If you keep all 5 items in your box, which I've done probably too many times, you do get a 25% discount off of all 5 items. So that's really nice too. Also in your box, you get a note from your stylist with some style cards on how to style your items, which is really nice. I always keep the cards. Actually, I was keeping the cards for each of the items, but what I've noticed recently is if you have the app or if you go online, everything that you've kept from your previous boxes is stored with the style cards. So now I just go online if I need help styling any of the items I kept, which is really, really nice. I love that feature. And least favorite part of the box, the invoice. Yep, it's probably everybody's least favorite part of the box. But anyway, you know me, or if you know me, you know that I've peaked. Yep, I peaked before I got my box. Not really thrilled with it, but I'm gonna keep it as positive as I can because you never know until you try it on. I have not tried anything on yet, so we will do that together and we'll go through each piece and you're gonna have to help me decide. I think I will need some help with this one. So give me a second, we're gonna go through the try-ons, and as I try everything on, I'll go over prices and material with you. So give me 1 second and I'll be right back. Okay, so the first top I have on is by Loveapella, and this is the Lawana Mixed Media Crewneck tank in navy for $48. So the front is 96% rayon and 4% spandex, and then the back is 97% polyester and 3% spandex. So I'll back up so you can see. It's pretty cute. I just paired it with, actually, I'm loving these white jeans that I picked up in my last Stitch Fix box. They're so comfortable. So I put them on with those. And I do like the front pattern of this top. I will turn around so you can see the back. It is dotted. And I'm not sure if it's sheer or not, but I do like the polka dot print. I think it's cute. What do you think? I mean, I like it, but I don't know how much I'd pull for it. I think part of the reason is because I don't know if you can see here, probably not because it's a darker fabric or a darker color. It's kind of like ruching here, I think. And I don't know if I'm crazy about that, but I don't know. And then I don't know what kind of necklace I'd be able to wear with this. And you know I love my necklaces. So I don't know about this one. You let me know what you think, and I'm gonna move on to the next top. All right, I am back, and I have on the French gray Evelyn brush knit dress in mustard for $48. So the material is 95% polyester and 5% spandex. Let me back up so you can see. The neckline, actually, it passes the neckline test for me. It's a good neckline. The colors are okay. I don't think this is my color palette. I do think that the color combinations of the blues, the whites, and the mustard looks great, and I think for the right person it would be a really great color, a really great pattern too. I don't know about this band. It's got like this elastic band that's kind of hitting me at a weird place, I think, and I feel like I'd constantly be doing this, and I don't want to be doing that all the time. I do apologize because this is probably the furthest I can back up, but you can see that it does kind of like a knee length, but Floors are done, yay. We just gotta get the furniture back in, and that's why I'm not filming down there. So I don't have as much space, so I'm sorry, but hopefully by the next box I get, we'll be back where I'm supposed to be when I'm filming. But anyway, I don't know. It's just okay. I don't think I'd pull for it. I mean, and another thing is that it's 70 degrees outside today, which is warm for us, but I'm already warm in this dress. It reminds me of a dress I got, I think it was like 2 boxes ago, maybe it was last box, that the material is just not breathable, and I'm already getting really warm in this dress, so it's just not a good material for a dress like this for me. But I don't know, you let me know what you think. I'm kind of channeling my inner Kelly Schaffner with this dress, I feel, because she could probably pull off these colors and it would look great. So I think that she might like these colors together. But anyway, all right, I've got a couple more items to try on and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and this top is by Papermoon. This is the Arlene Halter blouse in beige for $38. So it's more like a snakeskin type of pattern. The material is 100% polyester. So this, for the first, I don't like the halter style tops because you need a special bra. And I just, you know, I don't pull for them as frequently because of that. And this one, it's kind of fitting me a little strange. It's tight throughout here. It's a little loose up here, like in this area here. I don't know. It's just, this top is just not really doing much for me. I do love my animal print, so that's a positive from this top. I do like the actual print. Maybe if it was just like a basic tank, I'd consider it. If it fit a little bit better too. I don't know. It's just not really a me style top. So this one I think is going to go back. And again, the material is just, I'm really warm in this already, and I just put it on like 2 minutes ago. So, all right, I'm gonna show you, I have a skirt to show you. Not really a skirt person, and then I have a bracelet to show you, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I'm here to show you the skirt, and the skirt is by, I just had it, I'm sorry, Skies Are Blue. It's the Berenice Scallop hem skirt in teal green for $48. So the material is a mixture of rayon, nylon, and a little bit of spandex. So I forgot the exact percentages, I am sorry. The bottom does have a scalloped hemline. The stylist card said to pair it with the first top she sent, which if I kept the skirt, I wouldn't. I'm just not a skirt wearer. It does have pockets on each side, which is kind of nice. I think the scallop hem is cute. I will show you in the recap so you can see it more clearly, but the color's nice. I do really like the color, but it just doesn't scream spring or summer to me. And it's kind of heavy. Like the material, it's very thick. So I definitely wouldn't pull for this in the warmer weather. So this one is definitely going back. All right, I'll be right back. Actually, I only have a bracelet to show you, so I'm gonna do that with the recap. So give me 1 second. All right, before we do our recap, let's look at the bracelet. And I love how cute it comes packaged. So I actually haven't looked at this in person yet, so here we go. Okay, so this is by Marlyn Schiff. It's the Windsor Multi-Strand Bracelet, gold and silver for $38. So here's the bracelet. So it's just a bunch of individual bracelets in gold and silver, which are pretty cute. And then if I kept it, which I don't know if I will, they're just tied together, so you would take that off, but let's see. I do like to wear multiple bracelets. I don't know. What do you guys think? And you know I like statement pieces, so I do like these, but you let me know. Just kind of basic. I might keep these. They're very heavy though. So I don't know, but what was it, $38? You think it's worth it? I'm not sure, but I'm curious to hear what you think about it. All right, so that was my box. So one bracelet and then kind of interesting mix of clothing. So let's quickly just do a recap. So the dress is definitely going back. Just something that I probably wouldn't pull for. I don't think the colors were great on me. I think for the right person with the right coloring, these colors, I love the color combination of the mustard with the blues. I think it's such a pretty color combo. And I think on the right person, this would look really, really pretty. So if these are your colors, request it, because this is a really pretty dress. I did like that. The snakeskin, this is going back to, it's just not bra friendly. And I don't want to have to keep pulling for, you know, special bras, and I don't know. It just didn't really do much for me. So this is going back, although I do love my animal print, but this is going to go back too. And then the skirt. So, oh, I did tell you I was going to show you. The bottom has that scalloped hemline. Can you see that? Yeah, there you go. So it is cute. If you wear skirts, this is probably a great skirt, and it does have the cute little detail on the top band, so I like that, but I don't wear skirts. I know I wouldn't pull for it, and it's very thick. And then the pockets, I think I told you it has pockets, but the pockets kind of have the scallop detail, which is cute. So if you're a skirt wearer, again, you might want to ask for this. And the color, I think, is really pretty. All right. Oh, I'm sorry for the lighting if that was really bad. And then this is the only other thing that I'm considering kind of slightly. This pretty shirt that has the back with the polka dot detail. So I did like this. I think it looked great with white pants, and I could wear it to work. So this is probably the only thing I'm considering, maybe the bracelet too. I'm curious to hear your thoughts, but I'm definitely going to request another box and just be more specific with kind of what I need for spring and summer. That was partially my fault because I didn't make any special requests. If I did buy everything in my box, the total would be $220. The 25% discount would take off $55, bringing it down to $165. So not a bad price for 5 items, but I'm definitely not keeping all 5. So anyway, thank you so much for stopping by and spending some time with me today. I truly appreciate it. It means a lot to me, and I hope that I'll see you all really soon in my next video. Okay, just kidding. I'm back. I thought I was done, but I forgot something really, really important. I couldn't close the video without coming back to tell you guys this. So I wanted to thank, her name is Asia, and she just changed her YouTube channel. She has her own channel, and it's so great. She has a great personality. I love watching her. You're gonna go subscribe to her, please. Her name, she just changed her YouTube name, and I believe I will leave it a link below because I might butcher it, and I'm sorry. Roll With It Reviews, I think that's what she changed it to. So or Roll With It Reviewers. It's either reviews or reviewers, but again, I will leave all the information below. You got to go check her out. She's really awesome. She did use my link, and I really, really appreciate her doing that. It helps us all out. So thank you again for doing that, and go check out her channel. Again, the link is below. So, all right, now I'm leaving you. I'll see you again really soon in my next video. Thanks again for stopping by.